Here we're going to do a kinematics problem with the idea that we're finding a crossing point for two vehicles. So the setup is there's a car driving by a garage where a motorcycle is waiting, and the car is traveling with a constant speed down the road. The motorcycle wants to overtake the car, starts from rest, and accelerates. And the question is, how long will it take for the motorcycle to reach the car? So, how long is a time question? But we can look at it this way. If we look at the distance versus time graphs for those two vehicles, basically the car is traveling with a constant speed. So the distance curve for car A is simply its